Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial I am going to be showing you all how to make some biker shorts. Very simple and easy, very cute as well, and very comfortable. So I started out with some cotton spandex fabric that I got from Walmart. It is stretchy, so it is about 90 something percent cotton and about 5% spandex. So what I did was I took some leggings that I already had, and I basically put them on my fabric, but I folded them halfway. That way I can have like a shorter length in the leggings. And then I just took some fabric chalk and I just traced around my leggings. Then I'm going to flip my leggings over and trace over that again so that I can have a front piece and a back piece. And as you can see, this is how it looks after I have traced the leggings out. Sorry, my fabric is wrinkled. Then of course I'm going in with my scissors and cutting out my pattern. So here are my pieces once I cut them out. And so I have a front piece and a back piece, and my fabric was cut in half, so I have 2 pieces of each. And then I am going to sew the curved part of the shorts, and I'm going to use a stretch zigzag stitch. So I'm just going to take it to my sewing machine and sew that area down. So here's what it's looking like once I've sewn the curved parts of the shorts. Now I'm just putting them right sides together, and I'm going to pin both sides of the short. So once both sides are pinned, I'm just going to take it to my sewing machine and sew it with the same stitch. Once I've sewn both sides down, I'm going to pin the middle section together along with the crotch area and then sew that into place. So here's how everything is looking after I've sewn the sides together, the middle section crotch area together and stuff like that. So then you will see me basically getting ready to hem everything. So I've hemmed the leg portions and the waistband. And I'm just going to take that to my sewing machine and do a stretch zigzag stitch as well. I did fold it about twice, and it's folded about an inch as far as hemming. So here's what everything is looking like after I've completely sewn my biker shorts together. And then I'm going to show you all what it looks like right side out. So here's what it's looking like. So here are my results of my biker shorts. Very easy to do, super cute as well. Make sure to comment, like, and subscribe, and ask any questions. Also suggest any other sewing tutorials you would like me to do, and I will see you guys in the next one.